juice bar. I'm back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo. Juice bar channel is amazing to be in the kitchen with your favorite recipes, guys. You know what, Ben? A lot of people may say, oh, Chef Ricardo, come on, you can do something different. You know what, Ben? I'm a man. I like to use leftover stuff. I'm always using my leftover stuff. I never chuck nothing in the bin. And I here today and I said, oh my God, I need to make a juice. I feel like I drink something. That's the way I feel. And one thing come to my mind, to be honest, I said to myself, say, I buy some milk last night when I was coming from the shop. I brought a bottle of milk because I like my milk, you know what I mean? And you know, you don't have to use milk. You can use almond milk, soya milk, whatever milk you like to use. It's up to you. And I say, I feel like make myself a nice lovely smoothie. And I have some strawberry left over. And I say, you know, the first thing come to my mind is this. So first thing, strawberry inside of your Ninja blender. And you know what I mean, these are just leftover stuff, guys. I don't need to chuck them in the bin, you know. Just find something to do with it at home. So strawberry in the Ninja blender. Alright. You may see me make some juice similar like this, but you know what I mean, that's leftover stuff, guys. I cannot waste leftover stuff. Leftover stuff, put them in the fridge and use them the next day. I have a few fingers of double ripe banana, and I love when my banana them ripe like this, you know, because it give me a bit of flavor. So I'm gonna pop some ripe banana in it. So this one ripe banana. I may put another finger of ripe banana inside of it. The ripe banana definitely gonna bring in a lovely, lovely flavor to it. Alright? So this is how we're going to do it. Nice and lovely. Alright. So second thing, I have some hot chocolate mix right here, and I'm going to be using a tablespoon of the hot chocolate inside of it. Just a tablespoon. So that's gonna bring in a lovely flavor to it also. Then we're going to get some milk, because I love my milk, and I'm going to put roughly a cup of milk in it. Not too much. The only reason why I'm not going to put no ice, it's cold. It's really, really cold outside, and I'll tell you something, the time is moving so rapidly and fast at the moment. By the time it turn around, it's gonna be summer. You know what I mean? And I need to start prepare myself properly for summer, because the fans I'm gonna need some ideas in the summer. Alright? So we're ready for business, and that's how we normally do it in Chef Ricardo kitchen and the juice bar channel. I must say to you that if you're allergic to milk, you don't have to use milk. You can use soya milk, or you can use almond milk. And if you're allergic to almond milk or soya milk, I know they have more milk where you can use, you know what I mean? So do your own research and see what else you can use instead of, you know what I mean? But I like this kind of smoothie, guys, you know what I mean? This kind of smoothie keep me going, you know what I mean? And it's good for you, you know? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to be blending this for about 3 to 4 minutes, and that's it. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically I just finished blending it, and honestly you know what I mean, this is amazing, guys. Honestly, it's just amazing. Let's put this one side, because I'm not using this no more. Alright, it's just amazing to know what you can do with leftover stuff at home. Alright, you see all this kind of banana, when them like this, you don't throw them in the bin. When your banana look dark, you know what I mean, got a double ripe, you don't need to throw them in the bin. What you can do is you can remove the skin from it and break them up. Alright, I'll show you something, guys. And I don't have any zip bag at the moment, but I'm gonna get one of my normal bag like this, and I'm gonna show you something. So basically, when you have like a double ripe banana, you don't throw them in the bin. What you do, remove the skin from the banana like this. Alright, and you break them up into some small pieces. If you have the freezer bag, break them up into small pieces and put them into the bag. Same thing with this one. You do not waste things at home, guys, because you know what I mean, everything you have to buy. So it's just, you know what I mean, ridiculous to chuck things in the bin. So we're gonna break up the banana like this, and if you have like a frozen bag or something like that, you put it in the frozen bag. But I don't have any frozen bag at the moment. I run out, I need to get some more. Alright, so You put them into a bag like this, tie it, simple. And put this in the freezer. And you freeze it. And what happened? When you're ready to make a smoothie, you can have this in your fridge for the next 6 months. When you're ready to make a smoothie, you just take out a few pieces of it and make yourself a nice lovely smoothie in your Ninja blend at home and bring it to work. You might have said, oh my God, your friend them like it. And I said, who you make this? He says, Chef Ricardo, you know what I mean? I watched his YouTube channel and I saw what he did and I did the same thing at home. Simple. Spread the good news. Alright? So that's another tip from Chef Ricardo, or you can freeze your banana, remove the skin, break them up into pieces. I'm gonna do a video like that, put on my YouTube channel to show the fans them how they can save money at home. You know what I mean? And do not waste things. Alright, finished blend. Looking good. Smell nice too. Pour it inside of a glass. Look how it's rich and nice. So these are some other things that you can do at home, guys, you know what I mean? And as you can see, it's looking so lovely and nice and look tasteable. And I know you guys will love this one. Anyway, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Leave your comments below. I like you all. I love you all. And you know what I mean? Tell me what you think. Leave your comments in the description box with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. And cheers again one more time from Chef Ricardo. And I will see you next time.